I want to do a short walkthrough about an assignment that you may use with CK-12. For example, on Friday there's an assignment that says reading, the importance of carbon. And if you click on that assignment, it's going to open up the assignment and tell you like when it's due, how many points, and you're submitting it through an external tool. It says to read, watch the videos, and take notes. Here are some questions you should be able to answer in your notebooks. So you may want to write these questions down before you start reading. Then you're going to click Load Reading, the importance of carbon in a new window. It might take a few seconds until it actually loads. So you just need to be patient. There we go. And you will get a screen that has a reading section like it's just out of a textbook. And you'll see some terms in bold, and you can click on those terms, and when you click on a term, it will actually take you to another window and give you more information if you are not sure of what that term is. But for the most part, if you keep reading through, it will have a chart, gives you some examples, and then there's also a short video. These videos are very helpful to take the time to watch them so you kind of get the full amount of information. And I'm taking that into consideration when I assign this to you, that you're going to work through there. At the end, it gives you an opportunity if you have any further reading you'd like to do. That is optional. It does give you a summary that kind of summarizes what you learned. That would be great in your notes. And then there's those review questions that I copied for you to do. You'll notice then down at the bottom, and I already submitted this, but there's going to be an opportunity to do some practice. So you're going to want to go through the practice. There's about 10 questions. And when you finish the practice, it will say, do you want to keep going or do you want to stop? You can stop after 10 questions. And then at the very top here, there's a button, and it looks just like this, and it says Turn In. I push that button, and this is what you should see so that you know that you've successfully submitted it. Now it said you've turned in on February 4th, you got 100%. Now if you wanted to click Turn In again, maybe your percent wasn't correct and you went back and you tried something again, you can try that. But you just need to do it once. And that's how you can successfully complete that CK-12 reading assignment.